Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Jacaranda Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, you can see search bar on the top. Click on it and type in Jacaranda Finance. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official homepage of Jacaranda Finance. On the top navigation bar, you can see login option. Click on login. Now it will lead you to another tab. Here on the bottom, you can see two options: get started and login. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on get started and create a new account. And to sign in, click on login. Now you need your email address to log in, so type in your email. Now click on next, and following this simple step, you are now able to log in Jacaranda Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.